Hello, Nomad Sculpt, how to record the Gizmo movement in a layer. Okay, let's go to the Nomad app. We need a reference object. I bring in a box. I scale it a little bit down, validate it, and I bring in a sphere as second reference object. Okay, when you now add a layer and you move the sphere and you adjust the layer, nothing happens. You can scale it and nothing happens. I go back a few steps. In the Gizmo settings, there's a transform operation method. Choose Vertex. Now every movement of the Gizmo is recorded. Let's go to the layers. And now you see, okay. You can bring in another layer, add a layer, and okay, sorry, I go a few steps back. I add here also a layer for the box, and okay, and now this layer is here and these two layers are here, and now you can here simple merge the objects, and every layer here has its own movement, and it's possible to merge them down. And now all the movements are stored in this one layer. That's it. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.